Hello everyone. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to install magic keys on MetaTrader 4 and 5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to optimize your trading experience. Let's start with the initial setup. First, download and install magic keys. Once installed, you'll find a shortcut icon on your desktop. Double-click this icon to open the application. If you've purchased the on-screen version, select On-Screen Open from the menu. For those with the USB version, simply plug in your device. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your serial number. Do so to activate your license, and you'll gain access to the on-screen Magic Keys interface. Now, let's move on to connecting Magic Keys with MetaTrader, a process that works the same for both MetaTrader 4 and 5. Open your MetaTrader application, navigate to the File menu, and then select Open Data folder. Here, take note of the unique identifier number in the directory path. You might need this information for the next step. Now let's sync Magic Keys with MetaTrader. Return to your Magic Keys application and click on Link Empty in the File menu. Navigate to your MetaQuotes folder, then select Terminal. Choose the folder that corresponds to your unique MetaTrader identifier. Typically, only one folder will be available. With that done, it's time to configure MetaTrader for Magic Keys. Restart MetaTrader to apply the changes. Look for the Navigator panel. If it's not visible, you can activate it by going to the View tab in the top menu. Now, expand the Expert Advisors tab in the Navigator and simply drag and drop Magic Keys into your preferred Forex chart, like Euro, US dollar for instance. Before we wrap up, let's go through some final adjustments. Make sure algo trading is enabled and clear the DLL settings in MetaTrader's Expert Advisors options. And that's it. You're now ready to make faster and more effective trades with Magic Keys on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.